Hello guys, welcome to Superviral Reviews. Today we are going to talk about RoyalStock, and if you want to get this you can go by clicking on the link given below. Win a free copy of RoyalStock and more. One-time webinar. Join us to see how get your own Shutterstock site with our assets and you keep everything. Let's see what exactly it is.
Hi, Neil Napier here, and in this video I will show you how to profit with RoyalStock. RoyalStock is our new stock app with a very clever twist. We've built an extensive stock asset platform where you can also build a profitable business. You can of course use our stock content, the images, the videos and so on in your business for your clients. And here's the clever twist, you can also build your own micro niche Shutterstock-like store full of stock media collections and legally sell access to those collections. Here's how it works. There are 3 basic steps: find, add and sell. Step 1, find. Simply decide what you want to sell. What's your niche? It can be something you have a passion about or just something you know is going to be profitable. There are tons of niches that are very hot right now. A simple Google search can get you started. Once you've narrowed down your niche, you can move on to step 2, which is add. Now we take our assets we've selected and we create unique collections with our images, video stickers and lot more in just a few clicks. We have over 10 million stock media assets for every possible niche you could think of. You'll be getting access to high definition images, ultra high definition 4K videos, high definition illustrations, GIFs, motion backgrounds, premium icons, a favorite system, and of course storage for your own content to truly make your collections custom to you and your niche. Give them names that make sense to your niche. And finally, step number 3, sell. See, over the course of the past few months, my team has been building a powerful stock image e-commerce platform that is included with RoyalStock, so you can begin profiting right away. Your stores will look great with our done-for-you templates and layouts included. You're in charge of your store's look and feel. Our RoyalStock platform is specifically built for RoyalStock users to sell niche-based collections to busy customers who want the best images, GIFs, videos, and other assets to use in their blogs, Shopify stores, sales pages, and advertisements. We have secured permission for you to add items from our stock asset collection to your store and sell as targeted collections. Your store will be full of the content that your target audience will want and will be happy to pay for. Selected by you from our massive collection so your customers can get exactly what they want, exactly when they want it, without having to look all over the internet and hope or guess if the images they find can be used legally in their business. So you see, we provide you with your own personal Shutterstock-like site for your targeted collections. You set up your Stripe or PayPal or other payment gateway and sell it for any price that you want. And you keep 100% of the profits for yourself. There's no monthly fee and you never need to send us any more money. Of course, we have a detailed training inside to take you step by step through this process so you can be up and profiting in just minutes. That's what RoyalStock can do for you today.
So don't waste your time and get instant access now. Link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for more information. Sign off.